For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A new study suggests that common childhood vaccination may prevent severe complications in COVID-19 patients. The study was conducted by researchers from Louisiana State University, USA, and their peers. According to the researchers, common childhood vaccination can prevent severe lung inflammation, which is a health complication associated with COVID-19. Study shows that attenuated vaccine, which contains weaker pathogens, can activate the immune system to train the white blood cells to mount a more effective defense against infections. The researchers have found that in this method, vaccines can be used to treat unrelated infections. This is the attenuated MMR, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine concept. The study suggests that live attenuated vaccines can be used to mount an effective defense against COVID-19 infection. The researchers conducted experiments using a live attenuated fungal strain. The weakened fungal strain generates trained protection against blood poisoning. The scientists have said that protection from an unrelated live attenuated vaccine is produced by long-lived immune cells. The researchers have stressed on the fact that the MMR vaccine concept is not being promoted as a cure for COVID-19. While this concept may act as an immune preventive measure against the severe symptoms of COVID-19, scientists have reported that vaccination with MMR in people with a normal immune system has no contraindications. They have further added this method may be effective for healthcare workers and others who are easily exposed to the novel coronavirus.
The use of childhood live attenuated vaccines such as MMR given to adults to induce bystander cells that can dampen or reduce severe complications associated with COVID-19 infection is a low-risk, high-reward preventive measure during a critical period of the pandemic.
People who received MMR vaccination as a child are likely to still have immune antibodies directed against measles, mumps, and rubella. However, these people might not still have the immune cells directed against sepsis. Paul Fidel suggests adults getting an MMR vaccination again can be protected better against COVID-19 related sepsis. He also proposes that clinical trials and animal model studies could test the hypothesis that MMR vaccine, when given to adults, can inhibit severe lung sepsis associated with COVID-19.
If we are correct, an MMR vaccinated person may suffer less if infected with COVID-19. If we are wrong, the person has better immunity to measles, mumps, and rubella. A sort of no harm, no foul action.
Meanwhile, scientists suggest adults working in high-risk settings and without any health-related risk factors like allergies may get the MMR vaccination as a preventive measure against severe lung inflammation, which is seen in COVID-19 patients.